G'day everyone, Nick here from Steady's product development team with another install video. This one's the Y62 Patrol inner grill kit. Pretty easy install, should take you about an hour. Only need some basic hand tools, some spanners, Allen keys, maybe a screwdriver. We've got our two main mounting brackets, the light supports which mount to the mounting brackets. We've got a couple of bracing washers, I'll show you where they go, and then all the fasteners. This should be everything you need other than tools. Okay, first things first, we're going to take the covers off the top of the radiator. Use a trim tool or a little screwdriver to pop the clips up. And then once you've got it up, then you just pull them out. If you're feeling brave, you can do this install without taking the grill off, but I probably recommend you do. Just makes it a lot easier to get to all the bolts and for you to align the lights and everything. Okay, to get the grill off, there's a couple of small clips on the top here. Start by getting these two off. So these are the three clips that hold the front of the grill in on each side. The top one has this tab here. You have to hold in to be able to push the grill out. This one will pop out by itself as you pull the grill forward. And the bottom one has got this tab which you have to lift up, and that'll let you pull the grill forward. You can use your hand on the inside as well just to support the grill as you pull forward. Last thing you got to do to get the grill off is just the electrical clip for the camera. You got to take that one off. There's a little tab underneath you got to lift up, and then you pull that out. Grill's off. Now grill's off, we've got to take the horns off. And also unplug your horns. Just a couple of tabs on the back you got to hold in. So the holes we use to mount these brackets are the two holes that the horns were in, and also the bottom top outside two. There's also a couple of big holes, large diameter holes there and there, which use these large washers behind. So we'll grab the main bracket and we reuse the bolt that came out of the horn. Put that back in the top. Grab the fasteners that have support posts to lower radiator support. With a bolt, nut and a washer, put the bolt from the back. Now for the inside bolt down the bottom there, we use our big plate, stick the bolt through it, and then we have to place that from the back. So just make sure that this plate is sitting horizontally at the back there. So once you've got all those bolts started, now go through and tighten them all up. So we've tightened the top one and the two bottom ones. Now we've just got to repeat the process on the other side. So in the kit there's some replacement fasteners for your horn. Place the horn like this, just to give our light as much room as possible. So these shelves mount through these holes in the side, and you can adjust from all the way down there, all the way up to the top. So depending on whether or not you want to run a light bar or spotlights, you can choose where you want to position it and how that works with your grill. So to fit the spotlight brackets, use the fasteners in the spotlight bracket to support post. So as I was saying, you can pick lots of different light options for this kit. This is our Evo light bar. There's a couple of mounting slots in the brackets down there. You just use your standard light fasteners that come in the kit with the light. Depending on what you've chosen for your lighting, whether it be a light bar, it'll sit between the two brackets, or a spotlight. You'll need to play around with the height of these to suit your grill. So I recommend sitting your grill up after you've chosen a spot. Sit your grill up and just see how that works with the gaps in your grill, and then take your grill off again and just play with your height to get it to suit your grill. So this is pretty much the install complete. Once you've picked your height for your light, tightened all your fasteners up, run your looms, replace your grill, put your covers back on the top, and you're good to go. So that's our Y62 Patrol in a grill kit. Jump on our website and check out all the options for lighting for this one. And make sure you give us a call if there's any problems. Follow us on the socials so you can see all our new product releases.